In the Data Foundation view, you can apply specific colors to groups of tables that share the same information. For example, you might define different color groups for fact and dimension tables. This feature is called Families. In this tutorial, you will create table families in the Data Foundation view. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Business Objects Information Design Tool 4.0, version 14.0.0, v 2010-1019-0760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. Create new families in order to group a number of tables together. Click Edit Families. Click Add. Click in the Name text box. A family is a set of display parameters that can be used to visually group tables of the same type. The family display parameters include background color, text color, and font. Define the name and add a different background color to the new family. Type Sales, and then click the table color list. Select light orange. Add a second family. Click Add. Click in the Name text box. Type Reservations, and then click the table color list. Select Sky Blue. Add another family. Click Add. Click in the Name text box. Type Customer, and then click the table color list. Select Bright Green. Click OK. Select the tables to add to the Reservations family. Select the Reservation Line table. Press Ctrl and select the Reservations table. Click the Families list. Click to scroll down. Select the Reservations family. The tables are now grouped together in the Reservations family, and are highlighted in the assigned family color. Navigate to the tables to add to the Sales family. Click to scroll down. Add tables to the Customer family. For this tutorial, the tables are already selected. Click the Families list. Select the Sales family. The tables are now grouped together in the Sales family, and are highlighted in the assigned family color. Finally, add tables to the Customer family. For this tutorial, the tables are already selected. Click the Families list. Click to scroll down. Select the Customer family. The appropriate tables are now grouped into families, identifiable by their background color. The remaining tables are unchanged. Click Save. You have successfully created table families in the Data Foundation view. This is the end of the tutorial.